Okay, so we are ready to make our square pulse earrings. You have your 20 gauge wire because that's all we're using for these projects. And you're going to make your bend just like you did in the last video with your flat nose. Now, don't put those flat nose away yet because we want to start making our square. So figure out how big you want your square. I'm going to use this as a guide. Let's see. So just like we do with the round nose, you can decide how big you want by kind of gauging the width by using the flat nose pliers. So I know if I put it here, it's going to be a small square. I want it to be small, medium. So I'm placing my wire here. And I'm just going to make that bend just like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Okay, now I'm going to make another bend, and you're doing this because a square has how many sides? 4. So you want to make sure that you're getting all 4 sides. And mine is probably going to end up looking like a rectangle. No, it's not, Angela. There it is. I got skirt, y'all. I got skirt. So it's not perfect. It won't be perfect. But that's how you make it. And then you want to cut off the excess wire. Okay. And I'm going to clean it up by making sure that this squeezes a little bit. It goes right to where it's supposed to go. Okay. So there I have my square. Okay. So this is my square, or it can be a diamond, depending on which way you turn it. And you'll make 2 of those, and I will show you the variations in the next. You'll see it in the gallery. Okay. So that you want to make 2 of those, and we're gonna move on to the heart.